Hi, this is a Sherline 3D printer demo. I have a Sherline 2000 mil that I converted to a Sherline 3D printer. Actually, I have made two conversions here. One, the Sherline 2000 mil was converted to a Sherline 5400 column and 14-inch base. Two, I replaced the Sherline spindle with the Sherline 3D printhead bracket and Sherline 3D printhead saddle mounting plate. Sherline only sells the printhead bracket and printhead saddle mounting plate. The rest of the 3D printer parts are available online, which makes this a do-it-yourself or DIY only project. Since all the stepper motors on the 3D printer are bipolar or 4-wire, I use the RT Stepper 4-axis motor drive board to drive all 4 stepper motors. This is the temperature controller. It is only used to control the temperature of the printhead and the heated bed. The controller was built using an Arduino Mega 2560 board, Ramps 1.4 board, and a mini full graphic LCD display. All the electronics is 24 volts, so a single lambda 24 volt power supply drives everything. This is the 24 volt MK8 extruder printhead. The A axis is used to drive the printhead filament stepper motor. This is a 24 volt 100 by 100 millimeter heated bed. On top of the heated bed is a polypropylene glass fiber build plate. With this setup, I can run the XYZ motors at 12 millimeters per second and the A motor at 20 millimeters per second. This is PyMini software. PyMini will execute G-code and drive the 4-axis motor drive board. I use Repertoire with Slick 3R Slicer to generate all the G-code for PyMini. Repertoire will generate all the G-code programs in metric. My Sherline is a inch machine, but I have the pymini.ini file set up to run in millimeters. Now let's run a 3D print job with PyMini. This will print the bottom half of an RT Stepper dongle case. This is what the printed part looks like when it's all done. The program will take about 1.5 hours, but the following time-lapse video will only take about 35 seconds. Thanks for watching.